Welcome guys to this tutorial. Here I will be talking about Instagram and how you can log out of your account. So I will show you both the desktop version as well as the mobile version. And it's very easy to do. It takes just a couple of minutes, and I will show you how you can both log out of current device, or you can check out other devices where this account has been logged in and log them out. So the first way how you can do this is here you can see the screen. You go to your profile and then press this wheel, the settings, and then you can press logout. That is the very easy way to do. And then alternatively, you can press login activity, and you can see all of the devices where this account has been logged in. So you can see that currently there is this device which is active, the Mac OS X device, and then there is also Apple iPhone. You simply press the arrow and press logout. You can do the same with the other one as well. The mobile view will look exactly the same. So let's go to the profile and then go to the settings wheel, and then you can see the option to log out, the login activity as well, where you can see all of these ones as well. Since I have gone through to mobile view on the desktop, you can still see that the active now is the desktop version and not the Apple iPhone. So I hope that this is useful. This is the way how you can log out without changing the password, and you can also log out of other devices where you have been logged in. So thank you for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and see you guys in the next tutorial.